Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to review the unboxing video of the new OnePlus 10 Pro. This device features a 6.7-inch Amoled display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, a triple camera system with a 48 megapixels main sensor, and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. Plus, it comes with 12 GB RAM and 512 GB of storage. Let's take a closer look at the unboxing video and see what else it has to offer. Unboxing the OnePlus 10 Pro, you'll see the familiar sturdy red box with all the essentials included. Inside the package, you'll find stickers, documentation, a SIM ejector tool, a textured case, 80 watts SuperVOOC charging adapter, and USB A-to-C cable. But, in North America, the package includes a 65 watts SuperVOOC fast charger with a USB-C port. The design is sleek and modern, with a glass back and a metal frame. The camera module is prominently placed and it's got a triple camera setup with a 48 megapixels main sensor, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and an 8 megapixels telephoto lens. Let's check out the display. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display is stunning, with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a high refresh rate of 120 Hz, which makes everything feel smooth and responsive. And the touch response is really good too. Now let's check out the performance. The performance is top-notch, with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, it can handle any task or game with ease. And in terms of battery life, it is also impressive. The OnePlus 10 Pro has a 5000 mAh battery and supports 80 watts of wired fast charging and 50 watts of wireless charging. This means you can enjoy a full day of use without worrying about charging. Overall, the OnePlus 10 Pro is a great device with high-end specs, a beautiful display, and a premium design. I highly recommend it. If you enjoy my videos and want to see more, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and turn on the notifications to stay updated on my latest uploads. Make sure to share the valuable content you come across with your friends and followers. And don't forget to keep up with our channel on social media platforms, like Twitter, for even more tech news and exclusive content by clicking on the links in the video description. Thank you for your support and I'll see you in the next video.